In this video, I will show how to use bullets and numbering properly in Microsoft Word. So click anywhere in your document, then click on this bullet list. Now type here like fruits, press enter. Animals and things. Now you can customize this bullet list. You can change size here. You can change style for bullet. Now to create number list, select it and just select this second one, numbering. Now to create sub bullet or number list, move your cursor in the last letter of this sentence or word, then press enter. Click here and select any style and press enter. So press enter. Now press tab. Press enter. So press enter and tab. Like this. And to change style, select and here select any style. So this is the way guys you can create properly bullets or number list in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.